hanging heavy frames or shelves. Missing studs can turn your project into a nightmare, but not with these stud finders in your toolbox. The DeWalt Stud Finder is a surprisingly reliable tool for such an affordable price. I was impressed by how quickly it detected wood studs behind drywall without any complicated setup. Its compact design fits comfortably in your hand, making it easy to move along the wall smoothly. This model uses simple edge detection technology, which works well for most basic household projects. You can feel confident hanging pictures or small shelves, knowing exactly where the studs are. The indicator is clear and intuitive, so there's no second guessing. While it doesn't have advanced features like deep scanning or metal detection, for the price, it's hard to beat. Is it worth investing more when this one does the job so well for everyday tasks? If you want a no-fuss, budget-friendly stud finder that gets the job done fast, the DeWalt is a solid choice that won't disappoint. The Franklin M210 immediately stood out with its sleek design and professional feel. It's a multi-sensor stud finder that offers accurate detection of wood and metal studs, plus live wires. After testing it on several walls, I found its readings to be impressively precise. Its digital display provides detailed information that makes it easier to identify stud edges and centers, which is perfect for more ambitious projects. The inclusion of AC wire detection adds a valuable safety layer when drilling near electrical wiring. Using this stud finder gave me confidence to tackle tricky walls without hesitation. The only downside is the price, which might be steep for casual users, but for professionals or frequent DIYers, it's a reliable investment. Wouldn't you want a tool that combines safety and accuracy in one package? The Franklin M210 is definitely worth considering if you want to level up your wall scanning game. The Zircon 250 All-in-One impressed me with its versatility and ease of use right out of the box. It's a powerful tool that detects wood studs, metal, and live wires up to 1.5 inches deep. I appreciated the built-in flashlight that helped when scanning in dimly lit spaces. Its multi-mode scanning options give you flexibility depending on your project, which makes it stand out among stud finders in this price range. The digital display is bright and easy to interpret, so you know exactly where to drill. Using the Zircon made me feel much more confident about my wall projects, as I avoided unnecessary holes and potential hazards. However, it's a bit bulkier than some other models, which might take getting used to. If you want an all-in-one solution that covers most wall scanning needs, the Zircon A250 is definitely a tool to have in your arsenal. The Jack Stud Finder and Wall Scanner surprised me with its blend of affordability and functionality. It not only locates studs, but also detects metal pipes and live wires, which adds a nice safety feature for a budget price. The scanning process is straightforward, and the LED indicators light up clearly when a stud or live wire is detected. The device feels sturdy and fits nicely in the hand, making it easy to maneuver across walls. While it may not have a digital screen or advanced depth options, it does the basics well enough for most household tasks. Would you rather spend more on fancy features or get reliable performance at a great price? For those who want a simple, no-frills stud finder that still covers essential functions, the Jax is a surprisingly good pick. The Mia Pro Stud Finder is a compact and easy-to-use tool that works well for quick wall scanning jobs. Its edge detection technology reliably finds wooden studs behind drywall, making it perfect for hanging pictures or light fixtures. I liked how lightweight it is, which made scanning less tiring during longer projects. The indicator lights are bright and easy to understand, so you won't waste time second-guessing your measurements. One thing to keep in mind is that it doesn't detect metal or live wires, so it's best for straightforward stud finding only. Does simplicity sometimes make all the difference in a tool? If you want a straightforward, budget-friendly stud finder without extra bells and whistles, the Mia Pro is a practical choice you can trust. The Povin Stud Finder and Wall Scanner offers a nice balance between price and features. It detects wood studs, metal pipes, and live wires with reasonable accuracy, making it versatile for most DIY projects. The LCD screen displays clear icons, and the bright LEDs help you quickly identify exactly where to drill. I appreciated the easy calibration that took just seconds, saving time before starting to scan. Although the device isn't the most advanced on the market, it delivers consistent results that give peace of mind. Wouldn't it be great to avoid costly mistakes when mounting heavy objects on your walls? For anyone wanting an affordable all-in-one scanner with solid performance, the Povin is a dependable option worth checking out. What sets the Prexiso 2-in-1 apart is the built-in laser level combined with stud finding technology, making it a smart multitasker. After trying it, I found it especially helpful for precise wall projects that require both stud detection and perfectly level lines. Its digital sensors accurately locate wooden studs and metal, while the laser provides a straight reference that saves time measuring manually. The compact design fits well in hand, and the interface is user-friendly. The only minor drawback is that the laser might not be bright enough in very sunny rooms, but overall, it performs well in typical indoor environments. Isn't it great to have two essential tools in one device? If you want to streamline your workflow with a reliable stud finder plus laser level, the Prexiso is a clever tool that can really boost your efficiency.